आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ। I am having tea. I am having tea. मैं नाश्ता कर रहा हूँ। I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. मैं अखबार पढ़ रहा हूँ। I am reading the newspaper. I am reading the newspaper. वह क्या कर रही है? What is she doing? What is she doing? वह फ़ोन पर बात कर रही है। She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone. वह क्या कर रही है? What is she doing? What is she doing? वह गाने सुन रही है। She is listening to song. She is listening to song. वह नाच रही है। She is dancing. She is dancing. वह क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? वह कार चला रहा है। He is driving a car. He is driving a car. वह साइकिल चला रहा है। He is riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. वह नहा रहा है। He is taking a shower. He is taking a shower. वे क्या कर रहे हैं? What are they doing? What are they doing? वे टीवी देख रहे हैं। They are watching TV. They are watching TV. वे एक दूसरे के साथ बात कर रहे हैं। They are talking to each other. They are talking to each other. वे मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। They are waiting for me. They are waiting for me. वे लड़ रहे हैं। They are fighting. They are fighting.